Today's special design channel creates small home design for bedrooms. This house dimension is 17 x 10 meters squared. This house is small size for most people. It is a challenge. I have to be able to divide the room in this house into 4 bedrooms. As a consequence, each room will have a small size. The 4-bedroom house design is suitable for those of you who have 3 children, or you have a family member who need 3 or 4 bedrooms. The entrance of the house is a small corridor. In the corridor room, you can put photos or painting on the wall as a welcome greeting for guests who come to the house. In the house there are 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom is located between 2 bedrooms. It will make easy for the access. In the middle of the house there is a living room integrated with the kitchen and dining room area. This design will make the room look more spacious. As a green area, we designed a 2 x 10 meters squared garden in the back of the house.